So you may have heard the Nik Collection is not free again. So it keeps bouncing between free and not free. And DxO just came out with Nik Collection 2, which is like $79. However, what you may not know is the previous version is actually still free. But if you go to their website, it is very difficult to find. So I'm going to help you out. So you'll see there's this link here. And if you follow this link, it brings you to a page deep down in their support channel. Is it still possible to get the free download version of Nik Collection? Yes, it is possible. They warn you that this free version still has many bugs and compatibility issues. It works just fine for most everything that you'll probably use as a landscape photographer. So you can follow this link. You click the here, which is linked to another page. All you have to do is fill out your email address, and they just tell you that they don't offer support on the previous version. But it is free, and I highly recommend you download it if you don't have the purchased version. I'm not sure how much they want you to know this is free because they bury it so far down, but there it is. All right, guys, take care.